Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Sage Intacct. So let's get started. Sage Intacct is a cloud-based accounting and financial management platform that helps businesses manage their finances, automate accounting tasks, and generate detailed financial reports. Since it's cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere using a web browser. To begin, sign in to your Sage Intacct account using your company credentials. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial data, recent activities, and shortcuts to commonly used features. The exact layout may vary depending on your role and your company's configuration. One of the first things you'll use is the menu on the left side. From here, you can access modules such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, general ledger, cash management, purchasing, and reporting. Each module is designed to help you manage a specific part of your company's finances. If you need to record a transaction, open the appropriate module. For example, you can create customer invoices in accounts receivable, enter vendor bills in accounts payable, or record journal entries in the general ledger. Fill in the required information, such as customer or vendor details, transaction dates, amounts, and account codes. Before saving, review all the information to make sure it's accurate. Sage Intacct also makes it easy to manage payments. You can record customer payments, process vendor payments, reconcile bank accounts, and monitor cash flow directly from the platform. Many businesses also connect their bank accounts to simplify reconciliation and reduce manual data entry. Another powerful feature is reporting. Navigate to the Reports or Dashboard section to generate financial statements such as the profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. You can customize reports by selecting different date ranges, departments, locations, or other dimensions to get deeper insights into your business performance. If your organization uses approvals, certain transactions may need to be reviewed before they are finalized. You can track the approval status and respond to workflow notifications directly within the system. Finally, remember to keep your records updated and review your financial reports regularly. Accurate data entry and routine monitoring help ensure your financial information stays reliable and supports better business decisions. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.